Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Renu Nair, Dermatologist and Hair Transplant Surgeon at Dr. Renu's Skin and Hair Clinic, Bangalore. All of us would love to have the perfect eyebrows with the right shape, color, density and symmetry. But unfortunately, many of us are not blessed with it. So that's where the right solution comes, which is permanent eyebrows or micropigmentation. Micropigmentation is a procedure where we place a tattoo-like ink into the skin in order to fill up certain areas and improve your features. So we have two methods where we do this permanent eyebrows. One is the microblading technique and the other is the micro shading or the powder eyebrows. Microblading is a procedure where we use a handheld device with a blade and we make natural hair-like strokes to fill up your eyebrows. The pigment is applied and kept for some time and it goes into these strokes to fill out your eyebrows. When coming to micro shading, here we use a machine with a cartridge that has got tiny needles on it. This helps to place the pigment into your eyebrows in a powdered or a spread out manner. This also gives you quite natural results. So both procedures are good and they have their advantages and disadvantages. Microblading gives you a very natural look immediately after the procedure. So people will be very happy immediately after the microblading session. But it is not suitable for all skin types. It can't be used for very oily skin with a lot of open pores. Micro shading initially looks very darker, so you might feel that your eyebrows are done more, but after 1 to 2 weeks it settles down and also gives you a natural result. It can be used for all skin types. Now the main question here is how painful is the procedure? So we use numbing creams and topical anesthetic creams before the procedure so that it is quite tolerable and you have a comfortable experience. These procedures need 2 sessions at a gap of 40 days interval. In the first session, after drawing the perfect eyebrows for you, we start doing the session. The second doubt that we have is how long does the result last? So permanent eyebrows, when properly done, easily last for 1.5 to 2 years, after which the color starts fading. So we need to do 2 sessions for the results to be adequate. So the 2 sessions are done at a gap of 40 days. And the touch-up session is very important after 40 days so that we can make any slight corrections in your shape, color or symmetry. And it also makes sure that the ink lasts for a long time, up to 2 years. So what are the aftercares after this procedure? It's very important not to wet the area for 3 to 5 days. You should avoid sun exposure and you should also stop your night creams, especially the creams containing retinol, vitamin C, AHA, BHA and similar types for a week. Also for the initial few days, avoid sleeping on that side where the eyebrows are done in order to avoid puffiness or lymphatic drainage collection.